Okay, guys, so you know these chickens? Yeah, the little. Have you ever heard them do this, though? I'm so confused. Hold up. It's just sick chicken possessed. I think it is.